Hi, I'm Paula Doyle, and I'm going to show you another idea on my Easy Stack quilts. You may or may not have seen that segment on Justhands-on.tv. It's another idea using large-scale printed fabric, and what I've done is I've stacked 4 layers of the same fabric here, just like I did in the Easy Stack segment. But instead of cutting them into small squares, I've rotary cut the stacked fabric into large squares. And what I would do here, I would cut these 4 squares on the diagonal with my rotary cutter. So, like that. Now let me take these pins off here. And then diagonally across the other way. Let me do this in a safe way here. So that now I didn't quite manage that one, but here's one I've done before. We have stacked 4 triangles that are identical in print. And all you need to do to form the block is to lay them out and stitch them together, and you'll get a beautiful quilt block. Here's a couple that I've done before using the same fabric, so you can see the amount of variation that you can get just using the same fabric over and over again in the blocks. And these would be then ready to go into the quilt pattern of your choice. Thank you very much.